you can choose between 4 options concerning the data points. With display data points, you have the option to either see no data points, or you can activate the view of the data points. If you click again, you can see the graded and the ungraded data points. The one with the small square are the ungraded data points. The one with the bigger square around them are those with grade rules. And the fourth display option is graded points only. Then only those data points that have a grade rule are displayed.